Have you ever wondered how great it would be to know in advance about important economic events that may affect the market and your trading positions? Imagine that you have a tool that not only looks beautiful, but also provides valuable information that allows you to make a more effective trading decision. Today, I will present you the economic calendar indicator for the Quantower trading platform, which is exactly what it is. This indicator is your key to successful trading. It allows you to stay ahead of the market and make thoughtful decisions. This is a tool that can change your trading. Let's learn more about its capabilities and application strategies. Raisiner is with you. You are on the Binam channel. The economic calendar indicator is a unique tool that displays economic events directly on your chart. It uses datafirminvesting.com, a free resource that provides information about economic events. This allows you to see events of high importance of their impact on the market. For example, the release of data on gross domestic product or the unemployment rate can cause significant fluctuations in the market. This information gives traders an advantage, allowing them to plan their actions in advance and adapt their trading strategy in accordance with upcoming events. Using the indicator can bring maximum benefit if you follow a few simple tips. First of all, I recommend configuring the indicator according to your trading preferences. You can choose which events to display, filtering them by importance level and assets. Secondly, do not forget to check the calendar regularly for upcoming events. This will allow you to be aware of potentially volatile periods and take the necessary measures. Finally, use the indicator in combination with other trading tools, such as technical or fundamental analysis, to get a more complete picture of the market. The economic calendar provides valuable information, but the final decision on trading is always yours. Great! We have already figured out how to use it in your trading. But what about trying to trade the news itself, using only calendar data? Imagine that you know about an upcoming event that can cause strong volatility in the market. For example, the publication of a countdown on unemployment in the United States, or a countdown on the number of jobs outside the US agricultural sector. Using the economic calendar indicator, you can effectively plan your trading actions. Set pending orders based on the volatility associated with the upcoming event. And don't forget to calculate the appropriate stop loss and take profit levels. For example, 5 minutes before the news release, place orders with fixed take profits on both sides of the current price to take advantage of the volatility opportunities. In addition, you can follow the trend by placing a position in the same direction as a sharp recoilless price movement. After the release of important news, it is also not prohibited to combine both approaches by placing stop orders to capture volatility and opening a position in the direction of movement if it turns out to be recoilless. Thus, the economic calendar indicator allows you to be one step ahead of the market and make a thoughtful trading decision. The indicator easily integrates with your algorithms and works in market replay mode. So you can practice using it in your manual trading strategies, or you can use it inside your trading bots. It is perfectly suited for this and works in the backtest mode, which makes it an ideal tool for automated trading. In addition, the indicator is free and easily available for download. It will be a great addition to your trading strategy, both manual and algorithmic. If you need help automating your trading strategies, or you want to discuss creating an individual indicator, please contact me. Don't miss your chance to improve your trading. Follow the link below and download the economic calendar indicator for free. This is my gift for you. Thanks for watching. Have a good trade.